So the IZI One action camera is here. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. So these are the additional accessories that comes with the action camera, and this is our action camera which is inside the waterproof casing. Let's open it and see how the final action camera finish looks like. So now let's turn it on, and the UI is pretty basic and it's not touch screen, so you'll have to use the side buttons to navigate, and here it is. So we have mounted our action camera on our helmet, and let's see how the recording looks like. So now the video is being recorded in 4K 60 FPS and the EIS is on, and as you can see the video is not that bad and the quality is as per the budget. And if you can find anything much better than this, you can comment down and let me know and we can review that. So this is what you have, the IZI One Lite Pro 5K. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video and found this informative. So please do give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.